This tutorial shows the arithmetic operation in bash. The arithmetic operation in bash is totally different than other programming languages. So here multiple ways are shown to do arithmetic operation, and example one is using the expr command, which is the most old way of doing arithmetic operation, and it has many limitations, and the limitation of this expr command is removed by other new command. So first of all, I will show you the use of expr command for doing arithmetic operation in bash. And start first line, uh, and the first line of this script, the expr is using numeric data with a single quote, so it will treat as a string data, and here single quote is omitted, and here uh, space is created between the numbers and no quotation is used, and here remainder value is calculated, and in this section expr value is stored after division in a variable, and variable value is printed, and in this section substitute variable symbol is substitute option is command substitution, which is called command substitution. Dollar is used here, and the value is stored in my_val2. Now save the file one.bash and check how the output looks. Clear and grab the bash command rt1.bash. Okay, now check the output. This one is treated as a string, and this one is also treated as a string, but when you remove the quotation and the values are added with space, then it is treated as a number, and 10 plus 30 is counted here 40, and it is finding the remainder value, and this one is stored in the division result in a variable value is printed, and using command substitution also it works. 30 minus 10 is 20, which is stored in val2, and that is printed. Now go for the example 2. Let command is better than expr command, and the limitation of expr command is removed by this command. So now I will show the use of this let command. Save the file first. Okay, here variable is defined using let command. Let val1 9 into 3, and which is printed. Here division is done, but quotation is used. Here subtraction is done, and here addition is done, and there are different types of additions are shown. For 4 equal to 7, and var 4 is post incremented, then its value will be 8, and which is printed. Next, let command is used with argument value. What is command line argument value? I will show in my another tutorial, so I will not explain it here. Just run the script. This error is appear for not giving the command line argument. Check the other outputs. 9 into 3, 27, 8 divided by 3, and it is taking just the integer part or number part, fractional part is omitted, and that is 2, and 9 minus 3, that is 6, and val 4 is 7, which is incremented and printed, so the value is 8, and the error is appearing from here. So if I give any argument value, suppose 10, now you can take 50 plus 10 equal to 60. I will show you detail about common line argument in my another tutorial. Now go for example 3 using double bracket. Double bracket is the common use of doing arithmetic operation, and so on the script. Here all calculation is using double bracket, and you have to use dollar symbol before the double bracket if you want to store the value in a variable. Here, after doing the arithmetic operation, the value is stored in val1, which is printed. But if you use directly the arithmetic operation in double bracket, then don't need to use any dollar. So val1 is incremented, which is printed, and another variable val2 is declared, and it is decremented and printed. And next val2 is added 60 value with the val2 using shorthand operator like the other programming language, and that is printed. And here the remainder, here the division value of 40 divided by 6 is stored in val3 and printed. Now I will run the script. Let's clear the screen. Option. Okay, run the script. You can check 10 into 15, 50 plus 15, 65. And here value of val1 is incremented 1, which is 66, and value is defined parameter, which is decremented, that is 40, and val2 is added with 60. 40 plus 60 is 100, and 40 divided by 6, only integer part is taken here, that is 6. Now go for the example 4. Previous 3 example cannot calculate the fractional part. To solve this, BC command is used. This example shows the use of BC command, and this is the last example of this tutorial. Okay. Save it. .bash. Okay, here you can see 55 divided by 3, and BC command is with 5. That will divide this part, and just divide this part, and no numeric part will be shown. No fractional part will be shown here. And here hyphen L is used to show the fractional part, and here scale is used to round the fractional part by 2 digits. Okay, now I will show the output. Now you can see first one's output is just 18, fractional part is omitted. For hyphen L it is showing all possible values, and for scale 2 it is rounded by 2 digits after decimal point. This is about all our arithmetic operation in bash, and hope this tutorial will help you to do arithmetic operation in bash script. Thank you for